comment the other day about how to install a brace in a Typhon. It is so easy. So first, you need this little black piece right here. If you see this, it's on all of the 6S models other than this car. So it's on the Outcast, Typhon, Limitless, Infraction, Kraton, Notorious, all of them. And you can buy the brace, this, and then this piece all the way in the back for, I think it was like $10 on eBay or something. And so when you go to purchase it, just Google like ARRMA Outcast chassis brace. It's the same brace. Okay, or you can just buy mine. Preferably buy mine. This will never bend your car again. Literally, we bashed this car so hard and we have never bent it with this chassis brace on it, and we bent it like 7 or 8 times without it. So once you mount that on, it's really easy. It just mounts right onto your plate like this right there. Screws in here. You just remove your stub sitting here for that. Then yeah, it's pretty straightforward. You switch out the little piece in the back for this. It sits like this, but farther down and there, right there. You see we upgraded to the hot racing one. It doesn't really matter. You can get away with a plastic one too. I run a plastic in my Kraton. And it fits in there perfectly. You install it like you do a Kraton. So if you need to know how to do that, just look up the Kraton manual or something and it'll walk you through. It's really straightforward. There's already one sitting here that holds this in. You just basically swap it with this and that. The pin right there, the far back one, goes through that hole right there, and then your brace sits in this hole. After all that, you just screw on your brace. If you did buy mine, you can see the video. I posted it just like less than a week ago. And then, yeah, you're good. But then the one last thing you have to do is you have to drill a hole farther up on the body. So this is the original hole. This is the one I drilled all the way up here. It's because your original hole for mounting was like right here, but this piece has it right here, so you just gotta move it up. It's really easy. You just drill a hole, use a body reamer or whatever you do to drill holes. What I do is I just line up a drill bit, stick a piece of wood right underneath it, and then just drill. Works really well. I upgraded this one to Kraton shock towers all around. If you do that, you just have to stretch the back here with the stock V3s. Oh, and by the way, installing this brace works on all of the models. V1, 2, 3, 4, and then even the V5. But the V5 doesn't have one. For some reason, I just thought it did. And then I installed the Kraton rear braces, or shock towers. I don't even know what I'm saying now. And the reason being is it just gives it better suspension. I just like the way it handles more like this. It drives better overall. You don't need to do it. It's just more or less a preference thing. Shocks, I may upgrade to Kraton just to give it a stiffer suspension. I may also end up widening this car to give it a better drive, all the above, and maybe even gear it up. Currently, we've only ever run this on 4S. I'm probably going to stick another one of these in here and run it on 6 sometime. I have to get a battery tray that can handle that, though, because this one's small. It doesn't have the high part here that'll hold in two 3S batteries, whereas this one's meant for just one 6S. That's kind of annoying. To run this and not have chassis bending, you don't even need like a hot racing brace or an M2C racing brace. I do recommend them though. I do run them in my Kraton and they are a blast. As you can see over here, my Kraton has the M2C chassis, M2C, whatever this is, brace, and my custom brace, along with M2C shock towers, hinge pins. I got a lot of upgrades on this car, so subscribe so you can see me try to break it. So I'm sending a brace to Kevin Talbot, like tomorrow, and I want to see if he can break it. If he can't break it, I may, don't quote me on this, I may change my mind if I can break it and he can't or whatever. I may give you a refund if you can manage to break it. but I need video evidence and photos. And I want you to send that to me through eBay if you purchase it off of there. There's a link to where you can purchase that in the description down below, so if you are interested, please check out that link down below. So that's it for this video. This Typhon also has GP5 rear diffs. Those are great. They work really well. They're right out of the EXB. I put the one in the rear on this car. I have to get the EXB center diff and front diff for this, so that's coming. And also the front hinge pins. The front hinge pins, they were out of stock when I went in, but I'll get them soon. If I sell a bunch of these braces, guys, 90% of the money will be going into that car to break a world record. So please subscribe so you can help fund it. It's free. Subscribing is free, and all you do is help people. So just do it. It'll help me out. Yeah, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in another video. Please check out any of the videos, one here, wherever they are, when they pop up on the end screen. So I'll see you soon. Bye.